Okay, now you have negative 16a to the power of 3b square plus 24ab minus 8b cube over negative 8ab. So how you do this, guys? This is the same thing which we just did. Okay, nothing changes. If you watch the previous part, the other part we did, so basically the same thing. They just change the letters, you know. There they use X and Y's. Here they're just using A and B. You see? Yeah. First, what you do, you need to break it apart. You know, negative 16, it must divide with negative 8. Okay, yes, that's what you do first. Over negative 8 AB minus AB negative and a negative will give you positive. You write it like that. Guys, I hope you understand what's going on here. I hope you understand. I hope you get it. If you're still wondering about the sign, just look here, check here. Yeah, we have negative, and here we have negative. That should give us positive. That's why positive is standing there. But the sign, the unique sign, we still leave it like that. We don't throw it away. We still leave it like that. Okay, same thing that happened here. The positive and a negative it gave us negative. Okay, yes, but the sign, we didn't throw it away. We just leave it like that. Negative 8 and positive 24. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's go to the next one. Now you need to divide it. You break it apart. Now you need to divide it now. What is negative 16 divided by negative 8? That would give us positive 2, right? Yes, positive 2. Never ever forget, guys, when you're dividing, you need to subtract the variables. Okay, the exponents, sorry, the exponents. You need to subtract the exponents. So a 3 minus a to the power of 1. Oh wait, you see there's a invisible 1 there. There is invisible 1 in this a. There is invisible 1, even though it's not showing there, but take in consideration there will always be invisible 1. Okay, so 3 minus 1, that would be 2. Okay, 2. Okay, b square minus b. Okay, so 2 minus 1. Remember, I told you there will always be invisible 1 here as an exponent. Okay, so there will be 1. 2 minus 1 will be 1. So we don't need to write 1. We just leave it like that. Okay, guys? Yes. We go to the next one. 24 divided by 8, that would be 3. Okay, 3. But guys, be careful. here you should be careful. The variables are looking the same. Remember, I said if the looking the same, now you need to cancel it out. When you're dividing like this, if the variables they're looking the same, you see, if they're looking the same, you need to cancel. So what you do here, cancel it out, cancel out. You leave it like that. Okay, guys, don't bother yourself there, just leave it. What is negative 8 divide by negative 8? Here we give you 1. Okay, 1. Take in consideration, guys, the b and the b. This b here, this b here. So you need to minus the exponent, which will give you b squared. Be careful. There was only b. There's only b. There's no a. So what we do in this case now, we're gonna leave a at the bottom. We still leave it at the bottom because there's no a there at the top to minus or to subtract with a at the bottom. You see, there's no a on top to subtract the a at the bottom. So what we do now, we just leave it like that. So when we leave it like that, we're gonna leave it as it was. You know, it was at the bottom. We leave it at the bottom. Hey, let me just write it properly. Oh, damn. Over a. Yeah, guys, this is the final answer. We're done. So yeah, you see, it was pretty easy. Yeah, it was not difficult if you apply the algebraic rules and laws. Everything should be fine for you guys. I know algebra, it's not a joke, it's not that simple, but guys, once you can apply your rules and laws in algebra, I'm telling you, you're going to love it so much. You're going to love algebra. It's a very nice topic. Even though kids struggle with it, but still, it's a very nice topic. You need to work hard in algebra. You need to keep practicing, keep doing it over and over. Try to understand laws. Okay, if I'm multiplying, my exponent should add. If I'm dividing, my exponent should subtract. All that stuff, you need to have it in your brain in order for you to do good in algebra.